Welcome to Engine Explorer, where the world's boldest machines come to life. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing vehicles ever built, the 2026 Kenworth W900 double-floor luxury motorhome. If you think trucks are just for hauling freight, think again. This beast has been transformed into a rolling two-story five-star hotel, and it's going to leave you speechless. At first glance, you'd assume this is just a stretched-out Kenworth W900 with some flashy chrome and paint. But the moment you step closer, you'll realize this machine is unlike anything you've seen. Towering higher than a regular motorhome and nearly as long as a city block, the double-floor design isn't just for show. It completely reinvents what luxury on the road looks like. Let's start with the exterior. Massive 60-inch chrome wheels, a hand-polished grille, extended panoramic windows, and a custom paint job that screams opulence. Automatic hydraulic steps unfold when the door opens, welcoming you into a world that feels more like a VIP suite in Dubai than a truck. Step inside the first floor, and you're immediately surrounded by Italian leather upholstery, handcrafted mahogany cabinetry, and a full-length marble tile floor. There's a reclining cinema-style lounge, a 40-inch OLED smart TV, and even a fireplace built into the wall. Yes, you heard that right. The kitchen? A chef's dream. It features a double-door stainless steel refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and a touchscreen control panel for lighting, air conditioning, and even entertainment throughout the rig. The dining area has seating for 6 with electric, fold-out extensions, and under-table wine chillers. But the real magic happens when you head upstairs. Climb the built-in spiral staircase. Yes, a literal staircase inside a truck. And you're greeted with a second-floor master suite that could rival a presidential hotel room. King-size bed, ambient lighting, full-length mirrors, built-in wardrobes, and a sky view ceiling that turns transparent at night. And just when you think it's over, there's a spa-style bathroom. Heated floors, waterfall shower, smart glass, and a motion-activated toilet. Some five-star hotels don't even offer this level of detail. Let's not forget the tech under the hood. The W900 is powered by a 605 HP Cummins X15 engine, ensuring this massive rig can cruise effortlessly on highways. Paired with an automatic 18-speed transmission and adaptive cruise control, the ride is smoother than you'd expect for a truck this size. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile palace. Whether you're heading to the mountains or across the country, the 2026 Kenworth W900 double-floor motorhome ensures you do it in maximum style, comfort, and control. So if you've ever dreamed of hitting the road without leaving luxury behind, this is your dream come true. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane machines coming your way.